start spreading out a bit on that first lap. Mallory still leading the way. Here comes Ashton Tucker in the second in the 57. Car number 8 starts in third, and here comes the 11 of Ashton Morello. Those two cars in a breakaway here in E-Race number 1. Mallory still leads, starting to get antsy there in fourth place. Morello moved up to that third spot in the 11th car. Now here goes Tucker looking for the lead. Tucker to the outside of Mallory. So far so good. They're dead even coming down to the stripe. Mallory and Tucker for first place. Here comes Austin Morello for the third spot. Feisty battle going on here for first place at Carter race number 1. Any of these 4 drivers seem to be ready to take the victory here as they see halfway. This time around 3 abreast for halfway as Ashton Tucker shoots into first place. Tucker already with a few E-Race victories under his belt has gone to first place. Dark in second, Morello third. Those 2 youngsters looking to pick up their first win of the season. Less than 3 laps remain here in Junior Fast Car E-Race number 1. Keep 2 to the gate, keep 2 to the gate. Stand by, Kenny Vickers. Tucker crosses the line, now goes to put a lap on Cincinnati. But Cincinnati won't lap down. Tucker, Dark, and Morello are your top 3 as they head down the back stretch. Here they come to the white flag. Ashton Tucker sees the white flag. Can he hold on for the final circuit? Dark putting some pressure on Morello right there as well. 2 turns left to go. Steady through the south end. Here comes Ashton Tucker to take the win. Right, Dark finishes second. Ashton Morello coming home in third place. Congratulations to E-Race number 1 winner, the 57 of Ashton Tucker.